everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Let's take a look at our Ripple starting on the 240-minute chart. Hasn't been doing much for a few days. Did get a horizontal channel, closed below it, now trading at the first level down, which is 0.19395. Our next major level's lower. There's end of a clear path on a daily at 0.19348. Then the next levels we'll be watching 0.192105 and 0.19026. We are fans of Ripple. It's been a week for a while ever since that conference. So we're just waiting for areas to look to accumulate this, and we need some pretty good reversal patterns. Checking on a daily chart of Ripple. Daily chart, you can see we got the rotation zone. It keeps rotating up into the rotation zone and then rotating back down. That's why it's our rotation zone. So we, at this point, have to get a close through to 0.21 cent area before we're bullish on a rally, and we're only going to be adding on the high probability reversal zones. That's why we keep our targets and watch for reversals at those levels. Dash coin, daily chart. Also, rotation zone is down. You see it right here, and we go into there and rotate back down. Now closing below a horizontal channel. Targets for this are 264.94, 260.73, then 256.52. Then that exactly rolls into our next set of Gann targets, 250.82 and 245.14. So again, on Dash, anything we'll be watching for on these lower moves. We'll be watching for reversal patterns like double bottoms, long-tailed 50% reversal retracements, which we've talked about, and I'll show you an example of that in this video in another coin. So that's just a quick update on Dash. Let's switch over to IOTA. IOTA finally rotated back down, triggered a trendline trade, hit our two key Gann levels. And this was a nice reversal trade at the bottom one, this 0.3555 level. Show you what we were watching for. Again, we got a nice long tail reversal off a key level, then a 50% retracement of it. Aggressive entry, but our first targets. Let me switch back to the 4 hour. I'll show you how we got our targets again on this. We're against the rotation zone on the 4 hour, so we don't want horribly aggressive targets. So our targets are 0.38. And then 0.387. If the rotation zone keeps coming down, this other target will be lowered, but this is essentially a breakdown zone from this level, and this is a breakdown zone from that level, and they're inside the rotation zone. We just hit the top of the rotation zone. So we're going to see if this can continue to rally off these key levels. If it does sell off again, what we're watching for now on lower price action, we're just going to update this to the last push lower, and we have an updated, that's going to be an updated trend line probably, unless it collapses. But the next two levels down are 0.34378 and 0.335875. Again, on the daily chart, keeping it all in perspective, we have not much support down here. You can see that some major support, should we break through all these levels, the next major support area is this breakout zone all the way over here from back in July 21st, and that would be about at all the way down at the 0.2924. So this is very cautious trading in IOTA because we can't seem to get a sustained move above the rotation zone, and that's what we're watching for with that one. Finally, MONERO still has not broken down. We're watching for a close below this 85 level. We still do not have a close to trigger this huge horizontal channel. If it does trigger, just an update, we're still watching for 76.91, then 72.68 to about 72.98, then 68.45. Any of those levels are going to be watching for the reversal patterns. And if all that's broken, we have the flat 200, slightly rising still, and another Gann level all the way down at 62. And that's looking at it on the daily perspective. Over to the 4 hour, you can see how now the rotation zones cross back down. So any trades we do get, we are going to be watching for returns to rotation zones as our profit targets on those. So that's what we have for you on some of these other altcoins, and we will talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.